Hello viewers, welcome to Aniza's Tech Tutorials. To get my services of graphic designing, social media marketing, and WordPress development, contact me on my Instagram. In this video, I will show you how you can install and use Bandicam, which is best recording software. So let's start. First, write Bandicam in Google Chrome, and then Screen Recorder download. Then click on Download Bandicam 2025. Wait until it will download. After downloading, open Downloads folder, then click on Next. Choose your desired language and click OK. Next, I agree, Next, and Install. Wait for installation. Then a successful message is shown to you. Then click on Yes. Now an interface of recording has been shown to you. You can click on Rec button in red color to start recording further if you want to check where these recording files have been saved. Click on General. You can see the output folder. Open it. Here your recording files are shown. I hope you find my video easy and simple to understand. For more informative videos, like and subscribe to Aniza's Tech Tutorials.